Hey, I'm good. How about you? And I meant it. It was polite, but one person stopped. They put their hand on my shoulder and they said, "No, really, how are you doing?" That was different. I started sobbing in the hall and I just didn't see it coming. There's a really special power to being seen. I've been listening to Dr. Mark Brackett talk about emotional intelligence, and through his research, there are 3 qualities that stand out that people want from others. We want people to be non judgmental. We want people to actively listen and to show you that they care. Don't you think our dogs want that from us too? I mean, that's what I think. What does it mean to be non judgmental for dogs? How do you respond when they hesitate or they can't repeat the process in a new location? I think a judgmental response would say, "Oof, they're a slow learner," or "they're stubborn," or "they're disobedient." So a non judgmental response would observe the situation and look to curiosity and ask, "Why is this so challenging?" I feel like we're pretty comfortable asking what behavior was reinforced. But what if instead we also ask what emotion was reinforced? This workshop isn't just about what your dog is doing, it's about what your dog is feeling and what you are feeling and how those emotional systems are interacting in training. It does take time to witness the emotional side of our learner. It takes time to pause, to notice the time that they need for recovery. If they have the toy and they make a quick loop and they come right back, but the next time their loop gets bigger, or maybe it just gets slower or it gets faster, it probably means something. When you're designing a game, it's good to ask, does the dog know how to start? Does the dog know how to stop? Does the game reset cleanly? And does it escalate or give the dog practice modulating?